Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to the Florida Immigration Law Council YouTube channel. I'm going to be discussing the suspension of immigrants coming to the United States under the guise of the COVID-19 crisis. A few days ago, the president went ahead and tweeted about suspending immigration. It's funny that his speechwriter is Stephen Miller, who is also the senior foreign policy advisor on immigration to the president. So I wonder who gave him that idea to make that tweet is the same person as who created this executive order that came out yesterday, April 22nd, 2020. This order is essentially a bar on chain migration, which is what the president promised he was going to be doing a couple years ago in 2017. This order applies to individuals who are outside of the United States as of April 23rd, 2020, okay, who do not have an immigrant visa in their passport and who are really not married to a United States citizen, who's not coming here to do EB-5 investment, or who's not here under a special immigrant situation, or who's not part of the military. There are a few exceptions, and those are the exceptions. But who is this order actually targeting? This order is targeting parents of United States citizens. It's targeting siblings of United States citizens. It's targeting diversity visa applicants. It's targeting spouse and children of lawful permanent residents. This is who it's targeting. It is stopping the chain migration of United States citizens and lawful permanent residents to bring their family members to the U.S. It is also targeting employment-based green card applicants for employment-based second preference and employment-based third preference. Now, I want to explain that this temporary halt is for 60 days, right? And right now, U.S. embassies and consulates are closed. So in this situation, you're not going to have an interview scheduled for an applicant that they're going to go to the embassy and get a visa and then be barred from this travel ban. So in a way, the impact is going to be less than I think what we would imagine because these facilities are already closed. But it's important to understand the mentality behind this type of order. This order was created under the guise of protecting the U.S. labor market from foreign employment, right? But you're still allowing non-immigrant agricultural workers to come to the U.S. You're still allowing non-immigrant tech workers to come to the United States. Why are you barring sibling petitions who've been waiting 10, 12 years to come in? The siblings usually are already in their 50s and 60s anyways, coming to the United States to migrate to be closer to their family. So the shadiness that's going on here is really, really outstanding. And it's important to note what is really happening here. It is the president fulfilling his promise to end chain migration. Luckily, we live in a society where we can litigate these issues. And I promise you, there's going to be tons of federal litigation on this, and there's a chance that we'll never even have this come into play. But it's important that we educate ourselves on what's really going on. If you feel that your case could be affected by this, please give us a call and we can take a look at it for you and determine whether or not it will or not. But understand, it is only for 60 days. And right now, a lot of people, because the embassies and consulates are closed, everybody, it's not open, so you can't go and get a visa. But if they do decide to open in a month or 2 months, people who have applied for their parents, for example, are not going to be granted a visa because of this travel ban. So these are my thoughts on it. I've read it quite a few times. I've looked over it. And like I said, it's very, very unfortunate, but it's important to understand the history of where this is coming from and how its intentions are not as what is being declared or tweeted to be. If you would like for us to review your case, give us a call. We're at 954-240-1669. And thanks for tuning in. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks.